Hi there, students. To wangle. Okay, to make something happen by underhanded methods. To manage to get something by persuasion or manipulation using your guile. Normally this talks about something that's difficult to get. Something that's not openly available, but you use a clever plan or devious means to get hold of it. Yeah, maybe you use illicit methods. So I managed to wangle a couple of tickets for the final. So probably the tickets were really difficult to get, but somehow I did something that was maybe a little dodgy and I got hold of a pair of tickets. I'll see if I can wangle you a free ticket. So the implication is here, maybe you're not entitled to a free ticket, but I could use a clever plan or a clever way in order to get a free ticket for you. Okay, so to wangle, yeah? I managed to wangle a couple of free days off work. So the idea here is it's not easy to get days off work. Well, it never is. But I managed to wangle it. Okay, notice very often we use this phrase, I managed to wangle it. I wangled it. I resolved it. I found the way to do it. So he wangled a salary increase. We'll never know how he did it. Maybe he blackmailed the boss, or he used some clever trickery or means. Okay, you could wangle your way out of something, or wangle out of something. To extract yourself from a problem by clever means, by using your intelligence, persuasion, manipulation. So he wangled out of the extra class that we had to do tomorrow. He found a clever way of getting out. He managed to wangle his way into the concert without a ticket. He wangled his way past the security guards. So maybe he said something and they thought, oh, he's fine, and they let him through. Okay, so to wangle, to use cunning or clever means to effectively get what you want, even using illicit methods. Okay, what about the origin? Well, they say this comes from the late 19th century with printers, and to wangle for a printer was to make one thing look like another. So you take something similar and you modify it a bit, and it looks like what you want it to look like, even though it's not the original. So to fake something. And effectively that's part of the idea of wangle. Notice as well, to wangle is a regular verb. He wangled it. He has wangled it. He's been successful in doing it. And notice this is informal English, yeah? So he wangled a couple of tickets. Informal conversation. More formally, what would I say? He managed to get, he obtained in a clever way. Yeah, in a formal situation you need to use something different. Okay, he was able to get, he was able to obtain. Okay, so to wangle, to get something or make something happen, something that's difficult to get, that's not openly available, either by doing something illegal, by persuading, by manipulating, by tricking. So the fox wangled his way into the hen house, for example. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Wangle.